Good morning everyone. It's my 27th day of 75-day challenge, and today I woke up on time like how I yesterday said. I'm going to apply that solution and then I will be able to wake up on time. So I applied and today I woke up on time because of that turning off my fan. So yes, and by the way, most of the time in our life as well as there is a cause of a small problem. Means if you will change that small problem, only small problem, and everything changes, and it makes very effective, big effects in our life. So I just wanted to share. Sometime in our life we ignore those small problems, those small mistakes. For example, if you are a student, then we say uh, like I'm feeling not moody today, I don't want you to study today. So because of that one small thing, you regret after 2 3 days a lot because it became your habit, you started procrastinating. So these are very connected to each other. In that one small things, I don't want you to study because my mood is not saying to do not. So because of that you regret, you procrastinate, you start a new bad habit. So that's how it starts. So instead of ignoring that small thing, we should care about that small thing, about our moods, about our mood swingings things. We should care and we should sometimes push ourselves even though you don't like. Let me give you example. My mother used to say this thing. She used to say, do you like ice cream, right? But you can't eat that much. Means you can. For example, let's suppose I gave you lots of money, then you went and you buy it and you started eating, but at a particular time you will be like completely full, your stomach will full, after that you won't be able to eat. Why? Because that's how it works. You can't do something over. So that's the same thing applies in our life as well as, guys. If you will do something over, for example, it could be anything, positive, negative, both way. For example, if you are repeating a bad habit every single day again and again and again, then it will be worse for you. And if you will apply in a positive way something good again and again every single day, it will be very beneficial for you. So that's how it works. And there is no anything bad, to be honest, but doing over thing, it would be bad. For example, I'm sleeping over. For example, instead of 6 7 hours, I sleep 10 hours, 12 hours. Sometime I wake up and I slept again. So this is bad. But if I will utilize only for 6 hours, 7 hours, then it would be very good. So that's how it works. There is no any kind of bad thing. There's only effective thing. If you will apply those methods in a good way, then it will be beneficial for you. If you will not apply those methods in a good way, then it would be worse for you and not beneficial for you. So in my context, what I wanted to say is there is nothing bad. Over doing over thing, that is a bad thing. So that is for today. So bye, see you tomorrow.